ICSE 2026 Specimen Question Paper Math Share and Dividend Question. This is your share and dividend question is given. Mrs. Kaur invested rupees 8,000 in buying rupees 100 shares of a company paying 6% dividend at rupees 80. After a year, she sold these shares at rupees 75 each and invested the proceeds, including the dividend received during the first year, in buying rupees 20 shares, paying 15% dividend at rupees 27 each. Find the dividend received by her during the first year, number of shares purchased by her using the total proceeds. This is proceeds given, proceeds including the dividend. That means you have to find the total investment plus total dividend. That is the total investment for the next year. Now, this is Mr. Kaur invested rupees 8,000. That means your total investment is your how much? Rupees 8,000. This is 8,000 is your total investment. Buying rupees 100 share. Buying rupees 100 share means your 100 share buying means NB equal to 100. Then paying 6% dividend. That means dividend equal to 6%. At rupees 80, MB equal to 80. Total investment 8,000, NB 100, dividend 6% and MB equal to 80. Now, she sold these shares at rupees 75 each and invested the proceeds. We have to find first dividend received by her during the first year. What is dividend? Dividend is here, this is dividend 6% means this is 6% on NB, that is the dividend on one share. We have to find the dividend on total share. So, first we have to find the number of share. How can you find the number of share? You see, total investment is given 8,000. That is, formula is your total investment. Total investment is your number of share, that is let N. N is the number of share into MB. Number of share into MB is your total investment. Total investment is given 8,000. Total investment is given 8,000 equal to N into MB. MB is here given. How much MB is given? MB is 80. So this is your 80. So here, how much N equal to? Number of share equal to 8,000 divided by 80, that is equal to 100. So number of share equal to 100. This is your number of share. Dividend received by her during the first year. Dividend. Here, dividend equal to, dividend on first year equal to N into dividend on one share. This is the total dividend. This is total dividend. This is your N into dividend on one share. That is dividend, N into dividend. That is equal to N means N into dividend is given 6%. 6% of NB. Dividend equal to N into 6% of NB. That is known as NRF. That is we know. We can write this is our income equal to or dividend equal to, we know that income equal to or dividend equal to NRF. NRF means your N is number of share, R is the rate of dividend, F is face value. Now, this is your N dividend equal to N into 6% of NB. Number of share is 100 into 6% of NB, that is your 6 by 100 into NB. 6 by 100 then into NB is also 100. So this is your how much? This is your 600. So dividend is your 600. Now dividend 600. Dividend received by her during the first year is 600. Now she sold these shares at rupees 75 each. That means MB equal to 75. MB equal to 75 rupees 75 each and invested the proceeds investment. The investment equal to number of share into MB. Investment is number of share into MB. That is N into MB. This is total investment. Total investment is number of share into MB. 75 is MB and number of share is 100. So this is your how much? Investment equal to how much? This is your N is your 100 into MB is your 75. So this is your how much? 7500. This is your 7500. Now investment equal to 7500. That is your sale proceeds. Sale proceeds equal to your 7500. This is rupees 7500. Sale proceeds equal to 7500. Then so this is sale proceeds equal to 7500 and dividend was 600. So your total sale proceeds equal to 7500 plus 600 investment plus dividend. That is equal to how much? 7500 plus 600, that is equal to 8100. So total proceeds equal to 8100. Now we have to find the number of shares. Number of shares purchased by her using the total proceeds. Total proceeds 8100. We have to find the number of shares. So total investment is your 8100. Formula is your total investment equal to number of share into MB. Number of share into MB. Total investment is your 8100. 8100 equal to how much? 8100 equal to N. N is your N, we don't know. N into MB. MB is given here. Here MB is given rupees 27. So put this one 27. 8100 equal to N into 27. So your N equal to how much? N equal to 8100 divided by 27. That is equal to 300. So number of share equal to your 300. Number of share. So N equal to your 300. That is number of share. Number of share equal to 300. Okay. So this is your first is this is total investment given 8000, NP given 100, dividend given 6%, MP given 80. We have to find the dividend received by her during the first year. Dividend formula is number of share into dividend. That is your NRF. N into dividend. N is number of share. We have to find the number of share. How can you find the number of share? Number of share is total investment. This is total investment equal to number of share into MB. This is total investment equal to number of share into MB. This is your formula for total investment. From here, N equal to number of share equal to how much? 8000 divided by 80, that is N equal to 100. Number of share equal to 100. Now dividend equal to number of share into dividend on one share. Total dividend equal to number of share into dividend on one share. That is equal to NRF. N is your number of share, R is the rate of dividend, F is face value, that is nominal value. This is N into 6% of NB. Dividend on one share means 6% of NB. This is dividend rate given 6%, so dividend on one share is 6% of NB. So this is your dividend equal to how much? N is 100 into 6%, 6 by 100 into NB is 100. So this is your 600. Dividend is 600. Now here MB is given. MB how much given? MB is given. She sold these shares at rupees 75. So MB is given 75. So invested the proceeds. Investment equal to number of share into MB is your investment, total investment. MB means investment on one share. This is total investment is MB on one share into number of share. That is your number of share is 100. MB on one share is 75. So this is your 7500 is your investment. This is your sale proceeds. Sale proceeds is your 7500. Now this is given the proceeds and invested the proceeds including the dividend. So total sale proceeds is, this is 7500 investment plus dividend, that is 600, that is equal to 8100. So total investment equal to your n. Here we have to find the number of shares purchased by her using the total proceeds. Total proceeds is equal to 8100. Now this is your total investment is n into MB. Now we have to find the number of shares. Total investment is n into MB. MB is given here 27. Here given MB equal to 27. So total investment 8100. 8100 equal to n into 27. N is the number of shares. So n equal to 2100. This is 8100 divided by 27. That is equal to 300. So number of share equal to 300. And dividend on during the first year is 600. Here this is 75. 75 is not MB, it is known as SP, selling price. This is sale proceeds equal to selling price per share. This is here given, she sold these shares at rupees 75. So 75 is known as SP. This is selling price per share is here 75, and 27 is known as MB. 27 is MB and 75 is SP.